Greetings from Prognozy Capital. Here's the latest market snapshot as of November 11, 2023. The Nifty index closed positively at 19,425.35, up by 30.05. With a long unwind seen in OI of minus 5,362 contracts. In terms of Nifty option buildups for the November 16, 2023 expiry, there was a Nifty resistance or call OI buildup at 19,500, with OI up by 15.25%. And a Nifty support or put OI buildup at 19,400, with OI up by 46.60%. New call writers shifted down at 19400 from 19,500, while new put writers shifted down at 19300 from 19,400. Both new writers moved on the downside, suggesting bearish setups. As for banknifty, it closed positively at 43,820.1, up by 136.5. With short covering seen in OI of minus 2,460 contracts. For the banknifty option buildups for the November 15, 2023 expiry, there was a banknifty resistance or call option OI buildup at 45,500, with OI up by 41.69%. And a banknifty support or put option OI buildup at 42,500, with OI up by 47.82%. New call writers shifted up at 45500 from 44,000. While new put writers shifted up at 42500 from 42,000. Both new writers moved on the upside, suggesting bullish setups. In terms of cash segments, FII sold 261.81 CR. Today, while DII bought 822.64 CR. Analysis of FII data in F&O segments. FII's activity in the F&O market saw them selling 377.7 CR in index futures, 2,879.93 CR in index options, and 142.45 CR in stocks futures, while buying 78.02 CR in stocks options. The total net sold in the F&O market was 3,322.06 CR. FII data analysis in derivatives segments, index. FII's activity in the index futures market saw them closing 5,091 long contracts and 126 short contracts, resulting in a net short position of minus 156,828 contracts compared to the previous minus 151,863 contracts. FII data analysis in derivatives segments, stocks. FII's activity in the stocks futures market saw them closing 5,038 long contracts and 1,578 short contracts, resulting in a net short position of minus 137,552 contracts compared to the previous minus 134,092 contracts. Analysis of FII data, derivatives segments, index options. Bullish buildups in index options. In the index options segment, FII has added 145,275 call long contracts and 195,077 put shorts contracts. The total number of call long and put shorts contracts for the day amounts to 340,352. Bearish buildups in index options. In the index options segment, FII has added 121,980 put long contracts and 130,851 call shorts contracts. The total number of put long and call shorts contracts for the day amounts to 252,831. Analysis of FII index options. The net number of put long contracts for FII is 460,160, compared to the previous 533,257 contracts. Additionally, the net number of call long contracts is 245,872, compared to the previous 231,448 contracts. The option buildups on the short side are lower than the long side, indicating that the downside is limited. In conclusion, FII's data analysis in the derivatives segments provides valuable insights into their activities in the index, stocks, and index options. These movements shed light on their positions and suggest potential market trends. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on the Prognozy Capital podcast, where we bring you the latest developments in the Indian stocks market.